The word forgiveness is derived from words meaning to pardon, to let go, and receive completely. Today, we generally use it to refer to the deliberate act of letting go of resentment, providing a path forward with peace and understanding. Without forgiveness, we hold ourselves prisoner in the cell of what was done, ruminating in resentment and robbing us of joy. And yet, when we are forgiving of others and of ourselves, we set ourselves free to experience the joy of the present, empowered with the understanding that to err is human and to forgive is divine. The question becomes, what are you doing to demonstrate forgiveness in your life, to set yourself free and experience joy?